Hi everyone. Today our topic is OOPS, Object Oriented Programming System in Java. Object means a real world entity such as pen, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Object oriented programming is a methodology or paradigm to design a program using classes and objects. It simplifies software development and maintenance by providing some concept like object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, coupling, cohesion, association, aggregation, and composition. Let's start from object. Object, it's any entity that has state and behavior known as object. For example, table, fan, chair, pen, etc. An object can be defined as an instance of class. An object contains an address and takes up some space in memory. Object can communicate without knowing the detail of each other data or code. See, our other next topic is class. Collection of object is uh, called class. It's a logical entity. A class can also be defined as a blueprint from which you can create an individual object. Class does not consume any space. Inheritance. When one object acquires all property and behavior of parent object, it's known as inheritance. It provides code reusability. Polymorphism. If one task is performed in different ways, it is known as polymorphism. For example, to convince the customer differently to draw something, for example, shape, triangle, rectangle, etc. In Java, we use method overloading and method overriding to achieve polymorphism. Now we are come to abstraction. Hiding internal detail and showing functionality is known as abstraction. For example, phone call. We don't know the internal processing. Now we are coming to encapsulation. Binding or wrapping code and data together into single unit are known as encapsulation. For example, a capsule, it is wrapped with different medicine. Now coupling. Coupling refer to the knowledge or information or dependency of other class. It arises when classes are aware of each other. If a class has detailed information of another class, there is strong coupling. In Java, we use private protected public modifier to display the visibility level of class, method, and field. You can use interfaces for the weaker coupling because there is no concrete implementation. Cohesion. Cohesion refer to the level of component which perform a single well-defined task. A single well-defined task is done by a highly cohesive method. A weakly cohesive method will split the task into separate parts. The Java IO package is highly cohesive package because it has IO related classes and interfaces. And the Java util package is weakly cohesive package because it has unrelated classes and interfaces. Next topic is association. Association represent the relationship between object. We have a There can be four type of association between objects: one to one, one to many, one many to one, and many to many. Next topic is aggregation. Aggregation represent the relationship where one object contains another object as a part of its state. It represents the weak relationship between object. It represents weak relationship between object. It is also termed as has a relationship in Java. Like inheritance represent the is a relationship. It is another way to reuse object. Composition. Composition is a way to achieve association. The composition represents the relationship where one object contains another other object as a part of its state. There is strong relationship between the containing object and dependent object. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.